Guide the next truck to the platform, confirming the weight now, 15,200 kilograms. Proceed with unloading.
Ratios look stable.
Confirmed. The mix is uniform.
The flow rate and density readings are perfectly stable across all batches.
Excellent. That ensures consistent strength for the tiles.
Moisture levels look consistent. The fiber ratio is holding steady. Send it to the press. Sutoids. The blended composite enters a controlled moisture adjustment system at a carefully measured amount of moisture, while powerful mixers, rollers distribute the material into a controlled layer with consistent thickness. Mechanical leveling systems smooth the surface before it reaches the pressing department. The curve looks good on this one. Check the density readings here.
Temperature is holding steady at 180 Celsius. Pressure levels look optimal. We have consistent curing conditions.
Here. Selected tiles pass through a precision texturing station that enhances their molded roofing pattern. Zone 3 humidity levels are slightly low. Ramping up the steam vents now. The airflow in Zone 3 is stabilizing.
Good. Maintain the current temperature gradient.
The airflow in Zone 3 is stabilizing.
Good. Maintain the current temperature gradient.
The camera caught that crack. Confirmed. Send it down.
We're seeing some variation in the thickness here.
The automated correction seems to be stabilizing it now. The protective layer is consistent across the surface.
Agreed. These are ready for outdoor exposure. The thickness is holding steady at 150 microns. Good. The spray pressure is optimized.
The surface finish looks perfect.
Data confirms optimal temperature throughout the cycle. The colored roof tiles receive an additional UV-resistant protective treatment designed to help maintain their appearance under prolonged... The pressure test is complete. Record the data. Confirmed. The tile is fully compliant. Drainage looks good at the overlap.
Confirmed. No pooling, resistance is nominal. Recording results now.
The structural response looks good. Check the impact site closely. It's barely deformed. The composite is sound.
Stress test complete. Check for surface anomalies. Readings are stable. No serious cracks detected. This batch is approved for the production line.
No signs of cracking or swelling here.
Confirmed. The integrity is holding up perfectly under the simulated downpour. The curvature on tile 4B is outside tolerance.
Confirmed. Divert to the correction line.
The water is shedding efficiently right here. Yes, the sensors show zero penetration at the seam. It's performing as expected.
Reviewing the final data compilation. Everything is within tolerance. Batch 74 is approved for clearance.
Alignment looks good on this stack. Confirmed. Stability sensors are reading green.
Stable enough. How are the corners? They're tight. Send it through.
Watch the alignment on the left side. Okay, that's centered. Go ahead and scan it. Load confirmed.
Inspection complete on this one. All right, let's get it moving.
All right, push that pallet back tight to the wall.
Weight is confirmed. 15,250. I'm applying the label now.
The system confirms the batch and quantity. Final approval granted. Move this pallet to container bay 3.
Unit 4, proceed to loading bay 7. Repeat, bay 7. Roger that. Approaching bay 7.
Pallet 72 scanned. Destination code for the large gray tiles is B6. Confirmed. Moving them now.
Cheers.
As you can see on the label, these slate gray tiles have an R value of 2.5 and they're very sustainable.
That's impressive for a composite.
Okay, let's start with this section here. Make sure the interlocking edges are secure. Got it, C. These curves fit perfectly.
Check the alignment on this row, B. Looks good, keep going.
Check the level on this side.
Looks good, right in the center.
How does that alignment look from your side?
Perfect, lock it down. We're maintaining the pattern. Make sure the overlap is exactly right on this section.
Got it. Securing the fasteners now. The alignment looks perfect.
Okay, hold it steady right there.
Got it.
All right, driving the first one now.
The overlapping sections are secure. Fastening points show minimal movement.
Acknowledged. The installation holds. The water flow is exactly as predicted through the channels. And the sensor data confirms zero penetration at the joints.
Look at the stress readout here during the heat phase. It's negligible. The adhesion is perfect.
The spacing is exactly on target.
Looks good. I've cleared the debris on this section.
The composite tiles look excellent. The texture is exactly what we wanted.
Yes, and the sustainability factor is key. All from discarded husks. As you can see, the interlocking design makes installation much faster. Yeah.
How does that compare to the barrel style over there in terms of wind resistance?
Today's. Selected premium tiles receive an additional finishing treatment designed to create a refined architectural appearance.
This matches the color reference exactly.
Yeah.
Yes, the finish is perfect. Go ahead and stack it.
Pallet 32 confirmed. Noted. Releasing to warehouse.
Pallet 34B matches the order. Confirmed. The automated scan is clear. Move it into container 12.
Keep it tight to the wall there.
Got it. Weight looks steady, boss.
Perfect. Final scan complete.